have a female cat, I still would like for you to cut the pubic bone, which is what we did this morning, right? We cut the pubic bone. You have the wood cutter here, which is this one. Okay, so then you cut, but you need to be careful with the male. So you can see here, there's the scrotum that was covering this, so you had to take out the skin, and you can see the penile urethra, and there's the testes, the right and the left. And we cut the bone here, but there's the spermatic cord that pierces the inguinal canal. You should be able to see that. And it goes over the urinary bladder. You can see there's the vas deferens. See, it goes here. Actually, it starts from here, right? And then you see it's going to go join the urethra, which is this one. You will see it join the urethra from there. So it went over the bladder. It will get secretions. This is the urinary bladder. There's the seminal vesicle on each side, looks like fat. And then there's the spermatic cord on the left. There's the spermatic cord on the right. Right there is going to enter. And then the last is secretions from the prostate gland as well as from the Cowper's gland. You won't be able to see the Cowper's gland, it's very small. But here's the prostate gland. You can see the bulge right here. You can feel it. And there's another bulge right here. Okay. And then it, oh, sorry. Here is, there's the prostate gland. You can feel it. Oh, I was going to say you feel it, but, but see, it's a donut that goes around. There's the urethra. It's been cut. So it's separate. This is the vas deferens, the spermatic cord. And the spermatic cord on the other side was this one. It was cut. And there's the urethra. Okay. I didn't want to cut this because it will fall. But there's the spermatic cord on the other side. It connects there. And it's separate from the urethra. So the urethra starts with the bladder. You can cut. I'm going to cut this so you can see. I'll cut this one. So you can really see there. See, now you can see clearly there's the urinary bladder, there's the urethra right here, and it continues. There's the prostate gland, and there's the penis, right? And then there's the testes. They were attached. I just separated it. There's the vas deferens. It's going to go over the bladder and exit that way. There's the vas deferens. It's going to get secretions from the seminal vesicle, and as it goes out to join the urethra, it's going to get secretions from the prostate gland, and then out right here. Okay, so if you have a male cat, this is what I want you to do. You can refer to this one so you have an idea. And then you also cut the testes so you can see all of those seminiferous tubules. They're very, very, very tiny coiled tubules there. They have to fit in there.
I don't think you'd be able to see them.
No, I don't think so. Okay, but you can feel the prostate gland. It's very nice, it's like a donut, and identify. Okay, next you have the models. If you have a female cat, it should be easy, but also make sure that you cut that way. I want you to be able to really trace the bladder going all the way down. Then here's the different models, right? This we know is male. Don't forget, I have used this several times in the lab exam. This is the bladder, so it should be like this, right? There's the prostate gland. This white one is the vas deferens, okay? And this one is the seminal vesicle, okay? So this one came from the testes, right? Over here, which was down here, enter, pierce through the inguinal canal, and empty here this way. Vas deferens, go out, get secretions from the prostate gland, from the seminal vesicle and from the prostate gland, okay? And then here's your female, and there's your male pelvis, and this is the ovary. This is what we're going to do. We're going to look at the microscope. Like I said, we're going to do histology. But you should be able to, I have used this. Remember, this is corpus luteum, if it's still yellowish, this is still active. When it's no longer active, it's white scar tissue. This is corpus albicans. Then just open everything. See, this is your Graafian follicle. This one, yellow, that's your primordial follicle. And this is primary. You can see it's now simple cuboidal epithelium. And now you see here, there's some fluid. This is secondary follicle, okay? Right here. And so you're going to do microscopy and CAT. You're graded, it's 40 points for this graded activity. This is what I want you to identify, and I'm going to show you. It is not hard. It takes like 15, 20 minutes, but I just want to make sure that you know. And this morning, I was telling the morning people, I left my patients at home. It's sitting in my kitchen counter. So people were like, oh, we want to do group. No, it's individual, okay? You have to find each and every one, okay? It's not, when it comes time for the lab, right, you still need